Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. So I will show you the technique how to answer this one. We have sine capital A squared equal to 1 minus cosine 2a over 2. So we will apply similar technique for this one. So you got about 1 over 1 minus cosine s over 2. So we just change this one in this one. We put 1 over 2 outside. The integral of number 1, you got about s. The integral of cosine s, you got about sine s. That's the end. Thank you for watching.